What is up, YouTube? Now, some of you on this channel have seen this car before. I'm finally getting around to working on it, actually. Had the awfulest time trying to find an oil pan, and the local junkyard down here had a bunch of cars, but man, these cars had sit for 20 years, and we'd had to pull motors out of these cars and get these oil pans, and I didn't want to fool with it, and I really couldn't afford to buy a new one. But let me show you what I got here. Got a big nice chrome oil pan. This come off of a 67 Dart, I think it was 68 or something like that, 318. Perfect fit, exactly what I need. And I got the down tube with it as well. Right here, I don't think you guys have seen this engine before. I'm gonna uncover it and show it to you real quick. She sat for a long time outside, guys, and got a lot of crud on it. I had to clean it up real good before I put it in. Change these valve covers and just give it a nice cleaning. Everything works on it. She's pretty bad shape right now, but nothing we can't fix. But right now I gotta get this hood off, so I've only got 2 bolts in it. I'm gonna get this thing ready. Then I gotta go over here to my neighbor's, get a engine hoist, and try to set this down in here in the next 2 or 3 days, because I gotta get it up, gotta change oil pans, fun stuff. And it's hot. It's been hot. It was 101 yesterday. We've had 8 inches of rain in like 2 days. So we're gonna have to work in the shade or work late at night or work at night, whichever one. But I'm gonna get these hood bolts loose and set this off. Be back in a minute, guys. It'll try to. Oh, you got it. Man, this is that. Get some WD-40 on this one. Yeesh. Well, that one just rung right off. Well, ain't that some shit, guys? That one broke right off. Had to be fun to get out of there. There it is. I plan on using this hood without the hinges anyway. I'm gonna put me some pins in it, so no big deal. But anyway, I gotta wait till the neighbor gets home and get his lift, his engine hoisted, and raise this thing up and get busy on it. So here she is. Looks funny without a hood on it. Alright, guys, as you can see, I have the engine in the air. And I gotta change that oil pan. My oil pan's over there. Went and ordered my gaskets today. It seems like Advance never has anything. And I gotta get a oil filter. I think I'm gonna do that in the car. I ain't gonna worry about it. My main goal is to get this engine in the car. But let me show you what we got going on here. Sprayed it off with water. As you can see, it looks a lot better. Got most of that grime and grit off of it. It was nasty, nasty, nasty. She don't look so bad now, but these valve covers, well, that's a different story. I don't know if I want to leave them like it is, give it an old rustic look, because they look rough as shit. I'm going to drive the car just like it is. I'm not going to do any body work to it or anything like that. So I think what I'll do is I'll just probably get it in the car, get it running, and leave it looking like it is, because I know what this motor is. It's a lot of money in it. Should run forever. Looks are unimportant to me when it comes to an old car like this. I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on it. Just want to get her going. But we kind of at a standstill right now. I think what I'm going to do here in a little bit is set you guys down somewhere, and we'll probably yank this oil pan off, get the oil pump out of it, and change down tubes. Down tubes over there. But that's where we're at for right now. Just a slow process. If I had all my parts, I'd go ahead and do this. But what I'm trying to decide is if I want to put the transmission in at the same time as I put the engine in. That is the question. But I'll think about it and get back to you guys.